Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty one-pan chicken rice with vegetables. This recipe is so easy to make and very delicious. Let's get started. We're using chicken legs for this recipe and we're going to season both sides with salt and black pepper. Once the chicken has been very well seasoned, we're going to sear them in very hot vegetable oil over medium-high heat. We're searing the chicken for 3 minutes on each side or until they develop a nice golden brown color. Remove the chicken from the pan once it has finished searing. Next, we're going to cook some cut up bacon in the pan. We're cooking the bacon on medium heat until it turns crispy golden brown. Remove the cooked bacon from the pan and set aside for later. Next, we're going to saute some chopped onion in the bacon fat until it begins to get fragrant. Once the onion has sauteed, add some minced garlic and red pepper flakes. Cook everything together for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add some carrots. Season the carrots with salt and black pepper. We're going to cook the carrots for about 2 minutes to soften. Then we're going to add some white wine. The white wine is going to deglaze all the brown bits at the bottom of the pan, which is going to add flavor to the meal. Add the cooked bacon and some sweet peas, fresh parsley, and some chicken broth. Next, add some uncooked rice. We're adding a little bit of curry powder. It adds to the flavor and the color. Then we're mixing everything together very well. Make sure you taste for salt and add more if needed. Once this comes to a simmer, place in the seared chicken legs. Next, we're going to place the lid on and let the chicken and rice cook for 18 minutes or until the rice has softened and the chicken has internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. Here it is when it's all done cooking. The aroma is amazing. The bacon added such a nice taste and flavor to this recipe. This is such an easy, delicious meal to make on a busy night. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.